Dear students, 6th class mathematics. Today we shall study about HCF of two or more numbers. HCF. What is HCF? Yes, HCF is the highest common factor. Question: what is HCF? Answer: HCF is the highest common factor. HCF means the highest common factor. Highest, first letter H, common, first letter C, factor, first letter F. So, the short form of highest common factor is HCF. Let us take for example, now 6 and 10. Both these numbers are divisible by 1 and 2. All the factors of 6, we can divide 6 by 1, 6 by 2, 6 by 3 and 6 by 4. All these are the factors of 6. Similarly, we can divide 10 by 1, 10 by 2, 10 by 5 and 10 by 10. Now, these are the factors of 6 and these are the factors of 10. In these factors, 1 and 2 are the common factors of 6 and 10. Common factors of 6 and 10 is equals to 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. These are the common factors of 6 and 2. In these two common factors, which is the highest factor? Which is the highest factor? 2 is the highest factor. Highest is equals to 2. Therefore, highest common factor HCF of 6 and 10 is equals to 2. Now, similarly, we can solve the HCF of given 2 numbers or given 3 numbers. So, in finding the HCF of given 2 numbers or 3 numbers, use the factorization method. It is the better way to find the HCF of 2 or 3 numbers. Let us come to solve the HCF of numbers, given numbers from your exercise. Exercise number 3.6. Exercise 3.6. Find the HCF of the following numbers. First main, find the HCF of following numbers. First one, 18, 48, number A, 18, 48. Second number 30, 42. Number 3, 18, 60. A, B, C, D. Dth one is 27 and 63. Take these one by one. First answer A. The given two numbers are 18 and 48. First take the number 18. Find its prime factors. 2 9s are 18. Now divide 9 by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now divide this 3 by 3. 3 1s are 3. And similarly take the second number. What is the second number? 48. 48. Divide this 48 by first prime number 2. 2 2s are, 2 4s are. Once again divide this 24 by 2. 2 1s are, 2 2s are. Once again divide by 2. 2 6s are, 2 3s are, 3 1s are. Therefore, 18 can be written as 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. And the given second number 48, 48 can be written as 48 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 48 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now in both the factorization, circle the number which are common. 2 is common, then 3 is common. Therefore, highest common factor of 18 and 48 is equals to, first common factor is 2, second common factor is 3. Take their product, 2 into 3. That is equals to 6. Now 6 is the HCF of 18 and 48. Similarly, take this question number B. Question B. In question number B, we are given 30 and 42. Answer B. 30 and 42. Write the first number 30. Take its prime factorization. Divide 30 by 2. 2 15s are. Now divide 15 by 3. 3 5s are. 5 1s are. And take the second number 42. Divide the second number 42 by first prime number 2. 2 2s are 4. 2 1s are 2. Now this is 21. We cannot divide 21 by 2. Take the next prime number 3. 3 7s are 21. Then 7 1s are 7. First write the number 30 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5. Therefore, 30 is equals to 2 into 3 into 5. And the second number 42 is equals to 2 into 3 into 7. 2 into 3 into 7. Therefore, HCF of 30 and 42 is equals to, circle the number which are common. 2 is common in both the factorization. Circle number 2. Then 3 is common. Encircle the number 3. Take these two factors and find their product. It is the HCF of given numbers 30 and 42. 2 into 3. That is equals to 6. Now the HCF of 30 and 42 is 6. Take the question number C. In the question C, we are given 18 and 60. Answer C. The given two numbers are 18 and 60. First, find the prime factors of 18. Divide the number 18 by 2. First prime number 2. 2 9s are 18. Then divide this 9 by next prime number 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 1s are 3. Similarly, take the second number 60. Divide this number 60 by first prime number 2. 2 3s are 6. Put 0. Once again we can divide 30 by 2. 2 1s are 2, remaining 1, then it is 10. 2 5s are 10. 2 15s are 30. Now 15 is divisible by next prime number 3. 3 5s are 15. Now divide this 5 by 5. 5 1s are 5. Therefore 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. Therefore 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3. And the second number is 60. 60 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 60 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Now encircle the numbers which are common in both the factorization. 2 is common, encircle them. And similarly 3 is common, encircle them. Therefore highest common factor of 18 and 60 is equals to 2, first common factor 2, second common factor 3. First write 2, then write 3, take their product, that is equals to 6. Now once again, the HCF of 18 and 60 is also 6. Take the next question, question number D. In the question number D, we are given 27 and 63. 27 and 63. Take the first number 27, divide this by prime factors only. We cannot divide 27 by first prime number 2. Take the next prime number 3. 3 9s are 27. Now 9 is divisible by once again 3. Take 3. 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Second number is 63. Divide this 63 by 3, because we cannot divide 63 by first prime number 2. Therefore take 3. 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are 3. Now the new number is 21. Divide 21 once again by 3. 3 7s are 21. Then divide this 7 by 7. 7 1s are 7. Therefore 27 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3. 27 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3. And 63 is equals to 3 into 3 into 7. 3 into 3 into 7. Encircle the numbers which are common. 3 is common. Once again 3 is common. Therefore HCF means highest common factor of 27 and 63 is equals to first common factor 3, second common factor 3. Take 3 into 3. 3 into 3, it is 9. 9 is the highest common factor of 2163. Similarly, take the next one, 36 and 48. Question number E. Answer E. Question E, 36 and 48. First number is 36. Divide this number 36 by first prime number 2. Dividing by 2. 2 18s are 60, 36. Divide 18 by 2. 2 9s are 3 3s are 3 1s are. Take the second number 48. Divide 48 by first prime number 2. 2 24s are 2 2s are 2 4s are. Once again divide by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 12s are. Once again divide by 2. 2 6s are. Once again by 2. 2 3s are. Next divide by 3. 3 1s are. Therefore 36 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Second number is 48. 48 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Now encircle the factors which are common in both the factorization. This is the first factorization, this is the second factorization, this is the factorization of 36 and this is the factorization of 48. In both the factorization, encircle the factors which are common. 2 is common, encircle it. Once again 2 is common, encircle it. Now 3 is common, encircle it. Therefore common factors, therefore highest common factor HCF of 36 and 48. 36 and 48 is equals to 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. Now 12 is the highest common factor of 36 and 48. Similarly students, try to solve, try to find the HCF of given any two numbers. Now you have solved 5 questions. In each question we are given two numbers. Now let us come to find the HCF of 3 numbers. In the same exercise, in the first main question number G, 70, 105, next number 175. Question number H, 91, 112, next 49. Question number I, 18, 54 and 81. Take question number G, answer G. Answer G1. We are given the 3 numbers. Take the first number 70. Find all the prime factors of 70 by prime factorization. We can divide 70 by 2. 2 35s are 70. Now 35 does not divisible by 2, does not divisible by 3, but we can divide 35 by 5 because this number is ending with 5. 5 7s are 35. Now 7 is divisible by 7, 7 1s are 7. Next take the number 105. Divide 105 by prime factors, prime numbers. This number is ending with 5. This is odd number. We cannot divide this by 2. Next, check whether this number is divisible by 3 or not. Yes, this number is perfectly divisible by 3 because sum of all the digits 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. Their sum is 6. Sum of all the digits in the given number is 6. 6 is divisible by 3. Therefore, this number 105 is divisible by 3. Therefore, dividing 105 by 3, 3 3s are 9. 10 minus 9 is 1, then it is 5. The new number is 15. 3 5s are 15. Next, 35 is divisible by 5. 5 7s are 35, then 7 1s are 7. Similarly, take the third number. We are given the third number 175. 175, divide this number by 5. 5 3s are 15, remaining 2, then it is 25. 5 5s are 25. Divide 35 by 5 once again. 5 7s are 35. Now divide this 7 by 7. Therefore, 70 is equals to 2 into 5 into 7. 70 is equals to 2 into 5 into 7. 105 is equals to 3 into 5 into 7. 105 is equals to 3 into 5 into 7. Next, third number 175 is equals to 175 is equals to 5 into 5 into 7. 5 into 5 into 7. Now circle the numbers which are common in all the three factorization. In all the three factorization, 5 is common. N circle number 5 once. Then in all the three prime factorization, 7 is common. N circle the number 7. Therefore, HCF means highest common factor of HCF of 70, 105 and 175 is equals to first common factor 5. Similarly, second common factor is 7. Take their product, it is 35. Therefore, highest common factor of 70, 105 and 175 is 35. Similarly, take the next question H. Next question number H. 91, 112 and 49. Therefore, take the first number 91. We can divide 91. Only take the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19. All these are the prime numbers. Now 91 does not divisible by 2, 3, 5. Now we can divide 91 by 7. 7 13s or 13 7s. 7 13s are 91. Now 13 is divisible by 13. 13 1s. Take the second number 112. Divide this number by first prime number 2. 2 5s are 10. Subtracting 10 from 11, remaining 1, then it is 12. New number is 12. 2 6s are 12. Now the new number is 56. Once again we can divide 56 by 2. 2 2s are 4. Remaining 1, then it is 16. 2 8s are 16. Once again divide by 2. 2 14s are 28. Now 2 7s are 48. And then it is 7 1s are. Take the third number 49. Divide 49. 49 is divisible by 7 only, not by 2, 3 or 5. 7 7s are 49 and once again divide by 7, 7 1s are 7. Therefore, write the prime factorization of each number 91, 112 and 49. Therefore, 91 is equals to 7 into 13. 7 into 13. Second number 112 is equals to 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Next number 49. 49 is equals to 7 into 7. Now encircle the number which is common in all the three factorization. 7 is the common in all the three factorization. Therefore, highest common factor of 91, 112 and 49 is equals to 7. Similarly, take the next number 18, 54 and 81. Question number ith one, 18, 54 and 81. First number 18, find the prime factorization of 18. Divide by 2, 2 9s are 18, then 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. Take the second number 54. Divide number 54 by first prime number 2. 2 27s are 2 27s are or 2 2s are 4, remaining 1, then it is 14, 2 7s are 14. Now 27 does not divisible by 2. Take the next prime number 3. 3 9s are 27. Divide by 3. Once again 3 3s are 9. Then 3 1s are 3. Take the next number. Third number, it is 81. Divide 81 by prime factor, prime number 3. 3 2s are 6, remaining 2, then it is 21, 3 7s are 21, or you can write directly 3 27s are 81. Then once again this 27 is divisible by 3, 3 9s are 27, 9 is divisible by 3, 3 3s are 9, 3 is divisible by 3, 3 1s are 3. Therefore, 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, 54 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and 81 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Therefore, 18 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3, 54 is equals to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3, and the last number 81 is equals to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Now encircle the numbers which are common in all the three prime factorization. First one time, see here, 3 is common one time, and one more 3 is common in all the factorization. But here this 3 is common in only these two factorization. Don't take this 3. Here also 2 is common in first and second factorization only. Don't take 2. Therefore, highest common factor of 18, 54 and 81 is equals to first common factor 3 into second common factor 3. 3 into 3 is 9. So students, this is about how to find the highest common factor of given two numbers or three numbers. Students, practice these questions and you will know how to find the HCF of given numbers. So this is the method of finding HCF by prime factorization method.